Hello and welcome to our channel Text Writer. Today we'll be unboxing Apple Airpods which I bought from Amazon. It has connectivity with Bluetooth and Lightning connector on the case. Airpod comes with sensor dual beamforming mic, dual optical sensors, motion and speech detecting accelerometer. Charging case provide more than 24 hours of listening time and up to 18 hours of talk time, whereas Airpods provide 5 hours of listening time and up to 3 hours of talk time on single charge. In the box, we get documentation on user manual, technical and regulatory compliance. Unfortunately, no stickers. AirPods comes in nice case and overall build quality is very good. In the box, we also get USB-A to Lightning cable for charging the case and AirPods. I'll be sharing ownership review along with accessories which are really useful in keeping the case and AirPods free from scratches. That's all in today's video and hope you guys like this video, share and subscribe. Thanks for your support.